Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on your Android device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into it. The screen recorder that I use for my Android device is X Recorder. You can download this for free through the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded it and it's installed, tap on Open to launch the app. You'll see on the left hand side, I have the X Recorder overlay menu as that little bubble on the left hand side. At the moment on mine, as I'm using this to currently record, it doesn't have a record button, but where I've got the pause button there, it will actually be a record button. So you just hit that button and it will start recording your screen like I'm doing right now. It will give you a 3-second countdown before it starts recording, and when that countdown finishes, it will automatically start recording. Do whatever you need to do on your phone while recording the screen. To stop recording, once you've completed everything you need to do, there's two different options. First, you can tap on that little ball again in the left-hand corner. And here you'll see it gives you the option to pause recording or actually hit stop. Another way to do it is swipe down from the top of the screen and you'll see again there's a pause button and a stop button. So just tap on stop to stop the recording. And then after you stop recording, the screen recording will be saved to your device's camera roll. And that's what it takes to screen record on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.